How to fix bank app not working on iPhone in iOS 16. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel Create Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial and launch the settings application. Toggle on the button for airplane mode. Wait for a minimum of 60 seconds before toggling it off again. Go to your home screen and tap on App Store and search for your bank app. Make sure the app is up to date. Mine is showing open here, which means the app is up to date. If not, it would show update instead of open. Go to settings again and tap on general. Tap on iPhone storage now and scroll down and look for your bank app and offload the app and reinstall it again. Tap on general again and scroll down to the bottom and tap on shutdown option. Slide to power off and wait for a minimum of 60 seconds before restarting your device. If it is still not fixed, you can also force restart your device. To force restart, quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. And finally, press and release the power button until you see the Apple logo. Don't release the power button when you see the slide to power off slider. Keep holding the side button until Apple logo appears. Once it appears, you can release the power button. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.